Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, and thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely fantastic Range Rover Velar D180 R Dynamique S that we have recently brought into stock. This particular model is finished in the Narvik Black with some rose gold accents, which I particularly like myself. We'll have a closer look at those in a moment. And as we can see into the interior, it's contrasted perfectly with the ivory and black leather, and we'll be able to have a closer look at that in just a moment. Now, some more great news with this vehicle is we have a full Land Rover service history, and also it has come from Land Rover with £1,575 worth of factory fitted optional extras. And we'll be able to take you through a few of those items while we're on the exterior. So we have features such as a secure tracker, which is a £530 factory option. We have an 18-inch full-size spare wheel, which is a £400 factory option. We have privacy glass. We can see from this video, from that B-pillar backwards, properly frosted glass from the factory, which is a £390 factory option. We also have the rear seat remove release levers and also a fixed rear recovery eye, again both as factory fitted optional extras on the car. Now, to add to this, we also have LED front and rear lights with LED daytime running lights, which look very nice indeed. Electric folding mirrors. We have full keyless operation, I'll be able to show in a moment. A powered tailgate, front and rear sensors which are audible and visual, and you also have a reversing camera as well to finish off all of those parking assistance features. Now, those rose gold accents that were mentioned, we have the small fins lower down on the bumper, little section up top on the bonnet and running down the side of the vehicle. I think that really does show off very nicely against the Narvik Black. Now, the keyless operation with this car, keys in my pocket currently, little press of the button, we get the mirrors folded in. That's on each and every handle, so even if you're getting into the rear of the vehicle, a little press and those handles pop out. Very nice feature, that one. Key would still be in your pocket, and we have a push start button we can see there through the steering wheel. And as we can see here, the finish of everything on the interior of this car is absolutely wonderful. Into the rear of the vehicle, that ivory and black upholstery really showing off very, very nicely. And as mentioned, to match that exterior, the quality and condition of everything is absolutely fantastic. Now, some more equipment levels. As we come up front, we have the electric seat operation on the side just there, along with, you can see the memory function in the door card, so 3 positions that can be saved to. You can see we have the Meridian sound system. Also, satellite navigation with full touchscreen. A lot of that data can be kept on the screen behind the steering wheel as well. We have heated front seats on this model, and of course automatic headlights, rain sensitive wipers and auto dimming mirrors. Now I'll just have a little sit inside the car, and what we have on the passenger seat here is a little printout of the Land Rover online service history. It's always lovely to see a full main dealer history there. So yes, as mentioned, the quality and condition of the vehicle is absolutely incredible, with a wonderful history and a fantastic specification to add as well. So I hope you find the video informative. If there is anything that we have missed, or if you'd like any more information, we'll happily provide that. But we will be in touch very shortly with the calculations. Thank you once again, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.